If you're a worm, life is full of challenges and dangers. You need to know how to wiggle and squirm to survive. Meet Wally the worm, the fastest and wiggliest worm in all of Wormville. But uh-oh, there's Barry the bird, and he's on the hunt for his next meal. Watch as Wally wiggles, squiggles, and navigates through the soil, avoiding obstacles in his path. He dives down holes, slips under leaves, and weaves through the grass, all while trying to outwit Barry. Spoiler alert, wiggling is key. Wally's quick movements and clever tactics are his best defense. Tune in for the epic squirmy showdown between Wally and Barry. Will Wally's wits and wiggling save the day? Don't miss Wally's great escape as he outsmarts Barry and finds safety. It's a thrilling adventure you won't want to miss. But wait, there's more. Wally encounters a treacherous puddle, forcing him to swim for his life. Barry swoops down with razor-sharp precision, narrowly missing Wally by mere inches. Wally hides under a rock, peeking out cautiously, his tiny heart racing. Frustrated, Barry searches frantically, determined not to let his prey escape. In a final, daring move, Wally discovers a hidden tunnel and disappears into the darkness. Safe at last, Wally rests in his cozy burrow, having outwitted Barry once again. Celebrate with Wally as he triumphs over adversity in this epic tale of survival and cunning.